Alright, we're up here on a hike in the middle of December, which is pretty nuts because it's not very cold. I'm in a t-shirt and shorts, which is crazy. Decided to take advantage of this beautiful day and go for a hike up in the mountains of Pleasant Grove, out Battle Mountain Canyon. It's one of our favorite hikes because it's really short, but there's a great payoff with that waterfall behind us. Free to do it. I got my girl warming me up. Hey! Are we having a snowball fight? That's a fail.
Out here on a hike, and you never know it's winter. And Tyson's laughing at me, so I'm talking to myself. Hey! It's creepy down here. Alright, he misses me, I better go back.
Tiffany's even looking at me weird when I talk to the camera. It feels weird talking to the camera. Imagine you're talking to people.
I feel weird talking to them.
Yeah, right? Just imagine like thousands of people right here. A big audience. Hey everybody. Hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
Hey. Yeah.
How's everybody?
See how high I can climb up this wall. Here we go. I think I'm maxed out. I don't know how to turn around.
Jeff and Brian stopped for a makeout session?
Well, we just went on a crazy hike, and we almost died a few times. And Brian almost proposed a few times.
Yeah, I did.
But
Tiffany almost believed it. A few times.
no, I didn't.
Okay, she did believe it. Come on, guys! That's so uncomfortable.
Barbecue?
Well, gosh, why didn't we just...
Well, gosh.
This is where well, gosh started. Well, gosh, we should have just had a barbecue or something up here.
Yeah.
Well, gosh, why didn't we bring a picnic? Well, gosh.
Has Rexford been able to smell?